Hey everybody, it's Marjan here from Firefly Craft. Today we're making an elegant satin robe. It would make a great gift at a bridal shower. I've made a two-color decal. It's got elastic foil and white. I'm going to press the white first as it's smaller, and then the clear carrier will cover the white as we're pressing the elastic foil. Now because this fabric is a little bit touchy, we're going to do it for only 7 seconds and make sure it's covered with a Teflon sheet. Here we go. Just going to line up my robe onto my heat press. Put on the vinyl and then the Teflon sheet. And again, it's a short press, only 7 seconds. Another good reason for doing the white first is that the elastic foil is a cool peel, so we'll need to wait for it to cool down afterwards. By doing the white first, which it can be a hot or a cool peel because it's a regular vinyl, we can proceed with the next layer more quickly. Get my Teflon sheet on, and 7 more seconds. This time we have to wait for the elastic foil to peel. Okay, now our elastic foil has had time to cool, so we can peel the top layer. Isn't that just beautiful? Have another great day.